Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you RCBC reset password for Rizal Commercial Banking Corporation. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your browser, and then on the search bar simply type in rcbc.com. Now once you hit enter, you'll be landing on the RCBC homepage. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is log into your account. So tap on the login icon on the top right corner of the screen, and once you tap in here, you'll be provided with two options on the personal. Simply select the option that says personal online banking. Now once you click on it here, you'll be redirected to the login page. Now in order to reset your password, what you need to do is simply tap on or click on this forget user ID or password, and now once you click on that, you will be redirected to the reset password page. Now here what you need to do is enter in your user ID or registered email and then your account number. Now once you have entered those informations, simply click on continue and then the next page, and then you'll be redirected to reset your password. Now once you have done with that, follow the on-screen instructions to successfully reset your Rizal Commercial Banking Corporation password, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.